Hello, good morning, girls. And today we discuss about the significance of public enterprises in national economy. The public sector has been important contributor to the economic development of the country. The public sector has gained an influential position in the national economy as the achievement of the country's economic and social obligations and goals depends mainly on their effective performance. The main contribution of public enterprises in the national economy can be described as follows. Number one, balanced regional development. Public enterprises have tried to balance the regional development by setting up the plants in backward parts of the country continuously since independence. The private sector mostly alienated backwards areas and focuses on setting up the plants only in economically developed areas. यानी जहां तक पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस का सवाल है, देश के उन बैकवर्ड रीजन्स में बेसिकली पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस एस्टेब्लिश किए जाते हैं जो कि बैकवर्ड रीजन के हैं देश के, और उन्हें फॉरवर्ड रीजन में कन्वर्ट करने का प्रयास किया जाता है। जबकि प्राइवेट सेक्टर जो है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर मोस्टली दे एस्टेब्लिश देयर इंटरप्राइजेस in the developed areas and their motives to maximize their profit, not to main motive to render the service. But the public sector has nourished basic industrial and public facilities such as power, water supply, township, and manpower in these backward areas. The fertilizers factories at Sindri, the steel plants at Bhilai, Raurkela, and Durgapur, the machine tools plants at Brazil, and the equipment plants at Kerala and Rajasthan are some of the important examples of the development in backward areas by the public sector. Number two, optimum utilization of resources. Optimal and economical use of scarce resources available in the country by public enterprises is also a commendable contribution of these enterprises. Due to their large size, these enterprises are able to reap the benefits of large-scale operations and also ensures full utilization of installed capacity. Therefore, these enterprises are capable of producing better and lower cost with economical optimum utilization of resources. यानी जो हमारे पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस हैं, बेसिकली जो हमारे स्केर्स रिसोर्सेज हैं उनके माध्यम से भी वो गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज आम जनता तक पहुंचाने का प्रयास करते हैं, उन्हें बेनिफिट देने का प्रयास करते हैं और अवेलेबल जो भी हमारे संसाधन हैं उनका प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन करते हैं। एंड थर्ड इज द फिलिंग अप द गैप। एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस द नेशनल इकोनॉमी was facing the severe gaps in industrial structure, especially in the field of large industries. Infrastructure and core industries requires large capital investment and have a wide range of risk due to the long gestation period. Therefore, the private sector did not show interest in the setting up such industries. In such a situation, through industrialization, these gaps were filled by the government sector enterprises, which led to the production of strategic capital goods such as machinery, equipments, and engineering equipments in the country. And the fourth is the creation of employment opportunities. The Indian economy has been facing challenging problems like unemployment and poverty since independence. The public sector has also solved the problem of unemployment in the country to the some extent. जहाँ तक पब्लिक सेक्टर या पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस का सवाल है, भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था में विभिन्न चुनौतियों का सामना करते हुए, जैसे कि बेरोजगारी की समस्या, गरीबी की समस्या, इन सब की समस्याओं को देखते हुए भी और इनका सॉल्व करने का पूरा प्रयास करते हैं. About 2/3 of the total employment in the organized industrial sector in the economy has been created by the public sector. Not only this, the government sector has taken ownership of many SIG production units and has also protected the employments of the millions of people working with them. In this series, the public sector has also made a significant contribution to improving the working and living conditions of the workers by playing the role of model employer. Now,